So what is the meaning of bountiful? Bountiful simply means abundant. It means plentiful. It means profuse. It means ample. That's what bountiful means. Abundant, plentiful, liberal, profuse, ample, sufficient. No more scarcity this year. Say with me, no more scarcity this year. Okay, harvest. What does harvest mean? Harvest simply means a season of gathering. I see us gathering testimonies this year. It's a season of gathering. It's a season of crop yields, crop yielding, reap, ripe,